Hi, this video is about our new function Chamfer in ceiling module. Here's how it works. Go into ceiling module, click on the wall, background wall design, then click on the region. I'll draw a rectangle region here, then click on it. Let's say I change the thickness to 100. Then click on the chamfer here. The new function is here. The default setting is right angle. Let's say I change to rounded corner. You will get fillet effect on all the corners. You may adjust the radius, say 200, and enter. Okay, to smoothen the edges, you may increase the number in edges. Let's say 20. Okay, next, let's try filleted corner. Okay, and you may adjust the radius and edges as well. Then chamfer. Okay. Then the last one is inner right. Okay, click right angle to go back to the default mode. If you only want to edit one corner, you may uncheck batch modify, and the blue area is the selected corner. Okay, you may switch to other corner and edit as usual. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and happy trying.